Hi, this is Tom Rose, Public Works Director for the town of Smyrna. Over the past several days, Smyrna has experienced severe winter weather, and I want to take a moment to say thank you to the teams who stepped up when our community needed them most. Our Public Works Department, Smyrna Police Department, Parks and Recreation Department, utilities crews, and our partners at TWRA worked long, demanding hours to respond to storm impacts across Smyrna. Together, they addressed more than 100 locations, clearing debris and restoring safety and accessibility throughout town. Their efforts were truly impressive. By the numbers, 7 trucks plowing and salting, 4 graders clearing roadways, 350 tons of salt used, more than 2,600 road miles plowed or treated, and over 100 trees and limbs removed. This kind of response takes teamwork, dedication, and a real commitment to serving our residents, and we are incredibly grateful as residents continue recovering from the storm and clearing debris from their yards. We'd also like to remind everyone about the town's brush collection service requirements. Proper placement of brush piles helps our crews work more efficiently once service resumes and supports a faster recovery for the entire community. And you can find the full brush truck service guidelines on the town's website at townofsmyrna.org. Thank you again to our crews for their hard work, and thank you to our residents for your patience, cooperation, and resilience as we recover together.